You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away?
Chat, sorry, we didn't even go to the Wall Street sessions template, so yeah, sorry, we'll do that. Gonna stick with the purple. Keegs, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling tops, brother, tops.
Yes, I feel very zoomed in. But yeah, chat, this is what we're working with. Webcams, that is what we're doing. How's the audio? 1 2 1 2. Is everyone doing fine? Let's just get settled in here again. Yeah, how did CPI go, guys? We did put you on some game. We did say exclamation G. I don't know. Exclamation G. That is what we said. And we did say exclamation G. We did say that. So, yeah. Where's the G members? G members, how did it go? I don't know. How did CPI go with the G members? Keegs, how did it go? It was
The
tough.
G
It was
members
tough.
don't miss, bro. They don't miss.
Chad, it was a bad day to be a CPI number because CPI numbers got. I'm just gonna quickly go here before we actually start. Everything is chalk now. Give me. I'll sort that out in the back end. Chad, yeah. So this is our CPI went. I don't know. What did your mentor do? Did your mentor sell? Did your mentor buy? What did he do? Bad day to be a broker. I got stopped out at TP. How do you mean stopped out at TP? Njabula! Exclamation G. That is how I get. Chad, listen here, quick one. Now I can actually open up. So again, this wasn't something just on the brim. We had a preparation call for over an hour last night with all of our members. This was pre-planned. It was based off fundamental data. It was basically painting a picture of what we were expecting. It wasn't a case of, oh, if it tickles this level, we're going to long. We planned this beforehand. Last night, every single member knew exactly what we were doing for the session. We didn't even have to live stream the session. We called it out yesterday.
Yeah.
The daily candles, we talked about the daily candles yesterday in the session. And again, don't take my word for it. I told the guys yesterday in the G's chat, all of them can talk here. The members that were part of it will tell you exactly what we were talking about yesterday. We actually drew out the candles yesterday. I still technically told them there's the odd chance we actually do something like this. We take out the previous daily high, but ultimately, even from a technical perspective, I said I see us trading here with the dollar. All right. And I also said I've got a weird feeling it's going to be a continuation move. Again, the guys in the chat, Project G members, we said we've got a weird feeling they're going to fake the guys out with trading one directional like this, trading one way down, and people are going to think it's a buy to go back up. And it did exactly what we expected. So to see it play out, as we said with our members when we took the buys, is also once we got the result, it wasn't a case of, it's not about the money ever. It's about every single member in that group that took the trade with us. So beautiful. Just want to show you guys also for full transparency. There you can see I also said I'm going for 150 points. That's where I set my take profit. Again, pre-planned based on the ranges. So incredible session. Keek, sorry man, I just had to. We put a lot of work into that CPI, preparing it. But yeah, let's go back to the screen. How's everyone doing? Yeah, no flack on any other mentors, but we didn't do this purely based off indicators or what an indicator is telling me. We did this based off fundamentals. So, Keeks, how are you feeling, my brother?
Feeling good, bro. Feeling good. Obviously trying to just make the most of everything, yeah, just get everything sorted. A little bit of a confusing one now afterwards, but yeah, just trying to sort some things out here. But again, we stuck to the plan, stuck to the guns. As you say, 100% record with CPI this year, staying intact. And again, you know what? We're going to have guys trying to be poached. You're going to have guys trying to jump ship. And you know what? Hey, when you go somewhere else and you blow up, hey, it's not my fault. You knew where your bread was buttered. So yeah, we're going to leave it at that.
Okay.
But 2G's just going to keep it real, and we're going to keep doing it, guys.
All right, Chad, there you go. You guys getting a nice full zoomed in version of me with this webcam. We'll try and get this webcam a little bit further back, but for now, Chad, beautiful. We're not gonna forget where this comes from. As much as that ego, that inner man wants to take over, we're gonna still pray. We're gonna still say thank you, because ultimately it is a gift. It's still grace. It's still mercy. So we're just going to pray here before the session. And this session is actually a little bit different, because we're going to pray to give thanks, and we're not asking anything here. So yeah, you can close your eyes, you can keep it open, you can sit down, you can lay down, however you want. But Father, we just thank you for this day. Thank you for the session. Thank you for blessing us with the ability to do what we love every single day. Thank you for each and every member that joins us here on a daily basis. I pray that as we go into this session, that you will give us wisdom, that you will give us insight, and that you will give us a clear mind to approach these markets. Father, we pray that every single one in this channel will also come to the knowing understanding of you, and that they will find the peace, as you say in your word, that surpasses all understanding. And that is ultimately what we pray for, that everybody reaches their full potential, that we reach our full potential. And as we all strive for our full potential, that we may just build and grow and ultimately do good around us. For you say in your word that it is better to give than to receive. And I pray that we will continue to be vessels, and that you will continue to bless every single one of us here. And that this community, that this group will be known as givers and not takers. And we want to give you all of the honor, all of the glory, and all of the praise, because you deserve it, in Jesus' mighty name. And whoever believes that says amen, amen, amen.
Yeah, have it, Chad.
Amen.
Amen.
There we go. I had to pull it out of Kicks. All right, Chad, let's get straight into session here this afternoon. A little bit of a new webcam setup. I feel it's in my face. It's like you guys can see into my soul here, but that's maybe what you guys want. Chad, let's quickly go through the numbers. The numbers came out relatively weak. Not relatively, it came out weak. 3%. We're getting very, very close to breaking that 3% bottom. I've been talking about it, and I feel like once we break this 3% bottom, I think CPI has been cracked. Once we get below that 3%, sorry, which one am I looking at? Sorry, let me just go here, Chad, sorry. Once we get below this 3%, this 3% has been like this equal bottom, and I think once we break that, that is when we're going to start heading to 2%, and that's when the Fed is really going to start feeling comfortable with what's going on. And then also Fed futures, look at Fed futures quickly. I think that's going to be, that could be sitting at 80%. So markets could be pretty sold on a September. Okay, yeah, 80% almost already. Previous week was 65.9. Previous day 70, almost a 10% jump. So markets pricing in that September rate cut. All right, chat. That's what it's all about. That's what's happening here. Daily time frame. This move obviously makes it a little bit trickier. Bearish on the weekly. Now we've got that 200 daily EMA that got broken down. And as you can see here, every single time we've spoken about this 200 multiple times. Are we going to get something like this now? This actually happened in November 2023. And if you take a nice little screenshot of that, you will see that we could be hovering around these lows. And we could be trading back to that level to then eventually continue down lower. But again, be careful. Or not, you don't have to be careful, just be considerate that the 200 daily EMA is quite a big one. It's a big level. You can go through. Don't take my word for it. You can just go back in time and see that the 200 daily is a big boy. Also quite a big range. So yeah, I'm going to be very careful to look for continuations. I think it could be very, very choppy for the rest of the session. But we're still going to be here. We're still going to try and see if we can capitalize on any potential continuation moves to go with the rest of the session. We've got that key level up there. That's going to be the first level that I will be monitoring for the session. And then also that's that monthly S1, the weekly S1, everything up there, and then the weekly S2. So we're just going to wait for some pullbacks, see where we trade a little bit later. US 30, let's check US 30 on the daily. Beautiful. Look at this nice little breakout there on the daily. We said we were bullish on the day. So if you were awake and alert this morning, we actually gave it to you guys on a silver platter. We literally told you what we're doing. Some of you weren't cognizant of what we were saying. We were saying the 200, go and watch this morning's stream. I'm not even lying. I said I would love for price to trade back. Go watch the stream. I said I would love for price to trade back to here at the 200. Go and watch that recording, come back again and then tell me what we said there. And then beautiful, that 200 holding. And for the rest of the session, previous daily high, that's going to be the key level for me. Monthly R1 on top here, previous daily high. Quite a bit of levels. We're just going to see where we are after the open. NASDAQ, beautiful, as mentioned yesterday. I said price discovery, you can't sell into this. This thing is bullish. If you want to sell into it, best of luck. And we gave you these three levels here. We said Asia highs, that's the one level. We said weekly R1, that was the other level. And then we said if it gets down here, Asia lows, that is the other level. So it was hovering around this weekly R1, and that's when that jump came. And then gold, beautiful gold. And again, Chad, I didn't trade US 30. Again, I told the members. Andre actually asked me yesterday. So just to give you guys some feedback on this. One of our members, Andre, asked me, he said, Chris, why are you trading gold tomorrow for CPI and not US 30 or NASDAQ? And I said, purely due to the fact NASDAQ is trading at all-time highs. US 30 is just coming out of this ugly daily range. I don't like this the way that it traded before it broke out. And I said if you look at gold, all right, there there we actually still have that CPI. I will have this. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that jump out here. I will have this after CPI today. Thank you. So I told the guys yesterday during the call, I said this level here, beautiful level. This was the breakout for me. So from a technical perspective, you all know 2 daily consecutive bullish candle closures, confirmed support. Then also this morning I told you guys we had that beautiful wick to fill. And then I also said that this will be your weekly range, and a breakout will most likely occur during CPI above this level or below here. We were obviously bullish on the day and bullish on the session. And then also this morning, remember the level that we were trying to buy every single time. Where's that level? Go watch this morning's stream. That level was right here. Every single time we tried to get in on some buys here. And eventually, look at that 200, Stefan Groblar. And the guys that have been with us, the 200. Look at that. That's all I'm saying, Chad. Go look at the 200 on the 5 minute. You can build the entire strategy. You can become profitable. You can trade full time using just that. So for this session, what am I looking at? We relatively extended. Can we come back to 23.92? I don't know. What I want to see now is what we do at... yeah, Chad, I don't actually know what I want to do here because we already put CPI on a stretcher. Yeah, what I'll say is, let me just copy this key level. That is I'm going to say that's the only one that I will look at, that level there, 23.92. So other than that, Griffin FX, thanks so much for that donor. Looked for good SA traders for so long. The transparency, human decency, and skill does not go unnoticed. This is just a small donor, but just grateful that I stumbled upon this channel. Griffin FX, thank you so much, my brother. All right, over to Keeks. Thanks so much, Chad. Sorry for taking so long, but
Nah, it's all good, brother. I'm busy running through these things there anyway. Yeah, guys. So pretty much DXY. What am I looking for over here? Again, dollar for me is pretty much dead. we can have a possible pullback, but as I say, pullback to just continue lower. So what we could maybe see is on market open, we could maybe see a bit of a pullback to this monthly S1, weekly S1, or even that daily key level we spoke about, the 104, 165. So we could see some type of pullback going into the cash open, and then literally just the continuation sells after that. So not going to be looking for anything else, just short-term moves like that. Going over to NASDAQ, very, very simple. We're obviously going to look for those buys. We want to see it hold above Asia highs and then move to the top side. US 30, again, same thing, literally forming nicely. So basically a hold over here, came back down, again, basically brought back the whole news candle, then hold those Asia lows, trade bullish. We want to see it basically get above those previous daily highs and continue bullish. Again, I will be doing my R&D trade on this, so I'll just see whatever that gives me is what I'm going to basically take on it. And then lastly with gold, what I'm going to be looking at is very, very simply, we're seeing us now at the daily R3, the continuation. So as I said to our members last night, I said 100% 2400s on the cards, and then weekly R1 becomes a very, very easy target. Obviously we've got the monthly R2. I don't think they'll be today, but in the future, where now that weekly R1. So again, if we look at that, that is 2416, definitely does become a target. When we look here, just moving away nice and slowly, either today, maybe tomorrow, as I said, we can be going back to this monthly R2. But very, very important we close here. And this was a very, very bearish dollar move. So we can see that play out here. So, yeah, just depending on how we play. As I say, weekly R1 first targets for me. So very, very simple. If we can hold it around here and not just run away, I'll look to take some buys from here and continue more bullish.
Is that you, my brother?
That's me, brother.
Okay, I'm going to get you off now. Let me just... now I have to redo all the layouts again. But not now. I'll struggle on Monday. Chat, how are you guys feeling? Yeah, what a day, what a session. That was who said we're not gonna stream long because Yo. Okay. Keeks, I don't know now with the webcams. We will need to we'll need
Yo.
to do something with the cameras because the cameras are pretty zoomed in. All right, let's get through the chat here. Hope you guys stayed safe. CPI in 10 minutes. Okay, short dollar. All right. Told Chris I would. Well done, my brother. Caught that sell on the dollar so beautifully. All right. I hope the boys ate. Nah, I know the chat is eating. Yeah, well done, boys. Yeah, we're just sorting out finances. W's in the chat. Someone donate the 2,000 there. Payday for me on US30. Not even some drawdown, just short up. Chad, interestingly enough, what did the other mentors do outside? It's always interesting to... Sheesh, what a session. I hope whoever asked this morning if they should DJ an account did it and followed the boys. Congrats, gents. Hopped on 2G's call. I missed the trades by 4 minutes. Was dealing with business issues. We'll catch next time. You guys did great. Easy wins. Thanks so much, Jeremy. Really appreciate it, my brother. Yeah, bro. Fubs made a bag. Yes, Fubs made a bag. Like, Fubs can pay his G membership a year in advance. Let's check. Please tell me which broker did you use because Vault Markets does not work. We traded with Vault Markets, my brother. Did it with Vault. One time we traded with Vault Markets. We deposited and we withdrew. So you see the problem there is you traded with Vault Markets. We trade with Vault Markets. And also again, one time you need to enter beforehand. So remember the margins open up, and this is why it's important to know what's cracking is the margins open up. So we start entering positions 22 minutes past 2. And then we start layering. You can't enter the positions a minute before the news. You're never going to get entry. All right, let's see. Thanks for the profit, James. We'll be visiting. No, Andre, not sometime soon. You need to lock in a date there, my brother. Andre, did you find out anything that we were talking about last night on the phone? Send me a WhatsApp if you found out anything. Bal needs to get back. 3-0 up. Okay. Crypto was a banger. Thank you, Chris and Keeks.
Yeah, bro. So how's that? So the 100k account's blown.
Why?
So where they say max loss and max daily loss, those are floating amounts. So in the whole account, whether you go up and down without it resetting over days, it's from the day one. Let's just say you make 5k and you're 105k. Then you lose 1k. Then you make 2k. Now you're 106. Now you lose 2k and you're at 104. Now you've lost 3%. Now you make 1k the next day. You've lost 4k. Then you lose 1k. You've breached. So that is not a daily and a max. They floating amounts. So in the whole account until you get payouts and it resets, you cannot lose more than that.
Bro, so it's impossible then to almost pass for them because even if you still...
That means technically your max loss is literally 5k.
So it doesn't reset.
Doesn't reset. So day to day it doesn't reset. That's, yeah.
Did he say it doesn't reset?
Nope.
Chat, so FTMO is a scam.
So I got breached on floating equity.
Robert, send me those screenshots. Try and send me that chat. Did they send you some links there? Send me one.
Yeah. Bro, it is the biggest load of cack.
All right. All right, chat. Markets are opening in 20 seconds. Let me just, sorry if I missed anyone in the chat here. Raja Banks sold gold. No way. Please don't tell me he sold gold. Impossible. It is impossible that he sold gold. No, I'm kidding. He knew exactly what he was doing. He's cack. Shaq
Keegan,
sold.
what happened? You told us
USD.
to open Vault Market accounts, then no messages received to be included. What do you mean no message? Bro, everything was on there. Then I literally told you. So in the same time, please go actually, guys, now this is where people irritate me because you don't use your flipping ears. Go listen to that video. The video said open a Vault Markets account.
Send a screenshot to
Send
Ken.
me a screenshot of the account and I will add you to the group. So if you didn't message me, how must I know that I must add you? Because this is the same thing Chris and I were saying, bro. So many guys are like, I messaged you. And I'm like, where's the message? Who you messaging?
Keeks, you can open up the markets for us, my brother.
Hey, let's go, Chad. Round, what's it? 8.
Round 8, yeah.
8.
Yeah.
Fight.
I can't send a screenshot if I'm not following you. Then follow him.
Yo. Rocket science there, bro.
Hey, Sir John, come on, my brother. Come on, my brother. There was almost 30, 40 people into that group. So, yeah. Anyways, Sir John, keep it real, my brother. Airy balls, not crystal balls. Yebo. All right, Chad. Yeah, Kiggs, you must just let me know if you want to throw over. I know you're just sorting out some stuff there.
Yeah, no, I'll let you know, brother.
Yeah, Chad, we literally just gonna wait here for markets to come back. Those JSE positions we called out this morning. Those longs still running here. I'm gonna still chat. I'm gonna chat to Fubs, guys. But yeah, I just took the futures. This morning just as a back test. This is a demo account before everyone is like, hey, Chris has got R1 million that is forward testing. Yeah, I'm just testing that strat. So we're forward testing it and we'll see how it goes. Fubs, I did go Satrix, but yeah, Satrix is a little bit chalked. If I just look at Satrix, the amount of wicks that are on there, I don't think Satrix is going to work. So maybe futures does work. We've been technically yesterday you take profit. Today, we'll see if we can eat profit today as well. And then we'll find a way to I'm going to chat to Vault Markets to potentially get the JSE listed as well.
Okay, guys, I had to take a sell now on US30. It's the testing
Okay,
strat, so just keep that one in mind. You know, it's the R&D. Sure. This is going to be interesting. I want to see how it plays out on a news event, because this is going technically the opposite to what our news call was. So this will be interesting.
Mr. Attitude in the house. CPI killers, I knew it. You'll need to go prison for Oh, listen, yeah. It was a goodie. It was a goodie. I don't know. For some reason, I was just very confident on this call today. I was asking Keegan, like I told him, usually I'm the one that overthinks it. But from Tuesday, I told Keeks, bro, like you've been confident on CPI calls. I'm confident on this one. I was even last night telling the boys, like, buying an erg bike, and this morning or when we were on the call, I'm like, okay, entering positions, yeah, putting like a take profit level, telling the guys, okay, so almost like I knew what's going to happen. I'm like, okay, once I see it there, I'm going to start closing. There wasn't even a thinking. I didn't even think we could lose this one.
What's happening with the other things?
Praying for the G's in the chat in Cape Town. Yeah, we're praying for them. New indicator in town. It's that bike manifestation candle of Chris. Armand now, Chris, I tried opening trades on US today at like 2:15 and it wouldn't let me open the trades. This is on 550k account, phase 1. I just said trade. Armand, so yeah, you were on MT4. I'm a little bit disappointed in the tech team. So the .A on MT4 is changing and they put it on close only. So we will be sending out an email. So please note MT4. Yeah, let me just check here in the tech group.
I just want to do this quickly.
I might be long on that, just waiting for confirmation. Alright. Yeah, I'm just waiting here.
Hey, Chad, check the strat's working.
Vault Market says, okay, one time. Thank you, my brother. It does not work. Alright, it doesn't work. If you believe that, it does not work. Then please tell me how Fubs, all of these other guys that trade with us, Andre, every single one in the G's chat, traded live with us.
Yeah, and they all...
Bro, I don't know. So anyways, one time analysis. I'm not going to give you the platform. Sorry, my brother. Go on another stream. Take your comments, whatever. We traded it live with the members. The members in the G's chat all trade with Vault Markets as well. Maybe get off MT4.
Chad, check it, this thing working. Come on. You mind, Chad, this is a 3-hour trade. You've already hit TP1, TP2. Chad, you can go break even if you want to. Remember, it's just an R&D trade. Look at this, Chad. People doubted this thing. Chad, if I was you, I'd say close. Like, honestly, you 2R up, please close the trade. It's a 2R trade. This for me is I'm doing data collection, but already that is 60 pips you more than up in profit. So please don't be greedy. If you're not, like I say, back testing this like me, close it out. But you are literally 2R up on the trade already.
Because I'll chat to you later after speak to my mate from Standard Bank. Shot, mate. The key with news events is to manifest your next purchase by placing it on your trading view charts the night before big news. There you go, Chad. That's what you do.
Yeah. I'm just saying, guys, if you're in this trade room, I said close. Yeah, I said close. This is R&D, but there you go. It is working.
I entered that strat trade. Beautiful. Vault Markets is powerful. Yeah, bro. The thing is, Chad, if you just understand, it's not even about Vault Markets being powerful. It is every single broker there that opens up the margin requirements just before the news. XNES, any broker does it. So it's usually the guys with a 100 Rand account trying to open up a 0.01 on a US 30 futures trade. So yeah, please don't expect miracles. Like we've everyone in the group, there was some that had 5k in, some had 10k in, and all of them traded with Vault Markets. So yeah, bro, honestly, that's the end of it. Like, they go check it out. Keegan and myself traded with them. We've placed our withdrawals.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to. I don't know if you want to show them. Yeah. Anyways, Chad, check it out for yourselves. I'm not here to try and punt a broker. Like I've said it from the start, we've never even forced a broker on you. We thank Vault Markets for supporting this channel. And still, ultimately, it's for you as the client to go and test the broker. And yeah, anyway. I'm not gonna.
Right. A little banging, naughty little trade, yeah, from the strat here, guys. All right.
How do I think the charts will be after today? I don't know. Lottering, it's still very early. It's still very early. 9 minutes into the open. I think
Listen,
it's
guys,
gonna.
please be break even on this trade, eh? Like, you guys know it's there. I'm just gonna say go break even, because if you guys are in this, like, at least don't give back. You've had a massive day, 60 pips on ya, and you had CPI. Like, there's no need to give it back.
No, Jacobus, PPI is not something that I'm really concerned about. So yeah, CPI is the big one. CPI is the one that we save for ourselves. G-chat. Let's show the G-chat results. Let's just check the.
Bro, you know the thing is, like, check it this as well. So when you not done it yet, you have to go and cancel your account. Then it's like they give you the knife and you gotta go stab yourself.
Bro, but send me
How
that.
is the nerve of this, bro?
Send me that.
I took a screen recording of everything because I can't like send it.
Okay,
So I just took a screen recording and I'll send everything to you. But what cack is that, bro? Yes, I want to cancel my account.
I think that is a compliance thing, so that you can't come back. It's almost like a legal thing.
Oh, assholes.
Will gold retrace? Gold could. It's not. It's not impossible. Nasdaq made all-time highs, and it's now basically trading almost at the low of the day, or it is trading at the low of the day. So it is a case of we're gonna need to wait and see what happens there.
So you see, bro, this is what confuses me, because like technically, on the other account, like, what is the difference in having a max loss and a max daily loss? Because technically,
I'm
if
so
your max,
confused. I'm so confused with what they're doing there.
if your max loss is the max loss, then your max daily loss is still the same thing. Like, that's why, bro, it just confuses me now. Because it's like, I technically don't know what the hell I have to risk or what to lose.
Slushy, Ricky. I don't have an issue with Ricky. He, I liked his content. I don't know how he trades. I don't really have information. There's a lot of guys that has got bad things to say about him, but in terms of his trading ability, I don't know what his trading ability is. I liked his content, the way that he speaks. Actually, when I started looking into content, I like the way he brings his content across. So that is ultimately. Griffin X, the previous one. I don't know. Are you talking about the one I played previously? Chad, it's the NCS, non-copyright sounds playlist, the background music for work, gaming. That's the list. I'm out now on sales. Beautiful. Slash, I cannot comment at all. I cannot, like I said, I've got zero info on his hit rate with stocks and all of that. It is purely just from a standpoint of seeing his work, like his social media work, his content. But other than that, nothing that I can really comment on. concretely. Griffin, it was called Cadmium Ghost. I'm going to share the link with you. I'll share the link with you in the chat. Let's check it. I'm going to share it. Have you guys ever heard of Bryce Arnold? No, I haven't.
Bryce Arnold.
Wait, yeah, let me know.
Does he also talk with a deep voice?
I think it's the deep voice. Neil van der Westhuizen is in the chat. Neil van der Westhuizen. I'm rising Nasli into the high or low that CPI created. Jihad. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I'm just waiting at chat. It is wild out there. It is wild out there today. I'm just waiting for gold 23.92.40. Yeah, chat, and then also just a big shout out Vault Funder, 500, R500,000, biggest payout, and I can honestly confirm from a South African prop firm, I will go on a limb and say that is the biggest payout from any prop firm in SA, and they must prove me wrong. They know where my platform is. Any other prop firm, not claims of, oh, we paid out 2 million, this or that. No. Get that guy on an interview. We will have this gentleman on an interview very, very soon. Okay, shot André, ek jou WhatsApp gekry. Thanks meneer. So yeah, I can honestly now say that Vault Funder has cemented its place as the top prop firm in South Africa and even Africa. Pranil could say it will. Just email support at vaultfunder.trade. They will make sure that the finance is aware of it. So again, support on top of it. Nobody can even say anything about support. The platform, the payouts, still till this day haven't denied a payout. Not even on a technical term or somebody doing something weird. So we've been blessed in that sense of we've not been able to, there wasn't the need to deny a payout because there could be legitimate grounds for a denial, but till today, not yet. So that's also good. Got my VF account today. So far, so smooth. Satish Kumar, obviously here for Keegan. But Pranil could say we'll sort you out 100%, my brother. Pop that email right now. You'll even get a response in the next 2 minutes. Have you seen STC claims with payouts? What is STC? It's not Ghost Kribo. Is it not that one? Flip, bro. Which one are you referring to? Check on that playlist then, brother. That entire playlist. I literally had a headache after that CPI. The adrenaline was... Rian, sorry, man. Did you get back to me? I see you on my list. Did you get your account? Please just make me... just confirm that you received your account. Rian was the winner. So Chris, does VF reset every day? Yes, Andre. We're not like... It seems FTMO is scamming these days. Guys, I want to register 2Gs. I would like to have a phone call with someone just before the time. How can I have a... Jacobus, sorry my vriend. Ek het al jou boodskappe gesien en ek weet jy doen besigheid op 'n phone call. Gaan nie gebeur nie my vriend. Sorry man. As ons phone nommers moet uitgee vir 300-400 mense op 'n slag en ons moet 'n call met almal doen omdat jy R750 moet spandeer vir 'n maand, dan dan dink ek jy is by die verkeerde plek. vat dan daai 750 gaan eet uit of doen dit iets saam met jou vroukie, maar om nog 'n oproep te doen. Ons is hier elke liewe dag, maandag tot vrydag, oggend, middag. Ons doen ons calls, so ek weet nie wat meer jy wil hê nie. Die website is daar. So dan sal ek eerder sê vat daai R750, gaan gooi dit in die collector box. Sondag gaan eet uit, maar 'n call gaan nie gebeur nie. Sorry man. Ek's maar net straight, Jacobus. Moenie dink hierdie ou is 'n drol nie. Ek is net baie realisties met die expectations wat ons set hierso. So sorry man. Chris, that haircut looks slick. Neil, ek's bly jy like it man. Ek was al baie lank getroud, so ek wil try meer seks hê met my vrou. So dis maar wat hulle gesê het, help. As jy goed lyk. Alright. Oh yeah, no, STC. I thought you were talking about smart dolly concepts. No. Ja, ek waardeer die regheid. Jacobus, sorry man, die ding is net, daar's soveel ouens wat ons DM en ek verstaan, ek is self ook daai ou, maar ek sal verstaan as ons gesê het, ons vra R50,000 vir 'n kursus, maar dit is R750 per maand. En om 'n deep check te doen oor 750 is ek sê nie dit is verkeerd nie, dit is nog steeds R750 is R750, maar om nog 'n call te doen, al daai goed, sorry met hom. Ons is hier elke dag. Jy kan ons elke dag join, jy kan soos nou in die chat, kan jy met ons chat, as jy nie daai 750 wil betaal nie, maar as jy daai 750 betaal, Sondag, Woensdag en dan een keer 'n maand Saterdag, wanneer ons die bootcamp hou, dan kan jy daai mic oop hou en jy kan chat. Andrei, wat ook hier in die chat is, hy kry value vir sy 750. Jy kan vra, van die ouens sê, hulle gaan laat hy hulle 750 betaal, want hy kry bang vir sy bak. Vir hy 750, Andrei, laat weer die ouens hierso, daai mic is oop. Ons mute hom eers meer nie. Ons, Chris, ek soek 'n oproep met jou, ek sal 1000 betaal. I took that W for CPI from gold, holder that trade from London session, beautiful Rory song.
Hold on, guys, wait. Where's Stefan? Stefan, are you here, brother?
What did Stefan do?
No. I want to know, Stefan, are you still holding those bars from last night, bro?
Oh, when we chatted about the strat.
Yeah, and we still thought, like, if he can last the pullback, it will 100% be a monster trade. Because he still asked me, would 2390 be on the cards? And I said, bro, 2400's on the cards. Stefan, please tell me you in the chat. Did you hold through that, brother?
Thanks, Chris. Dit nog kry. Okay, thanks, Rian. Andre is the spokesperson. Yes. There you go. Choma, asseblief, betaal. Beste besluit wat jy kan maak. Ja, nou, Andre, Andre is actually going to be the, what do they call it? The spokesperson. He's going to be the chief whip for 2Gs. Listen carefully. Honorable Andre. Honorable Andre and Honorable Fubs. That the G's, we smacked CPI, my brother.
Oh, we smacked it, bro.
This is what happened on CPI. Wait, where? Already delete. No, we smacked it, my bro. Ja, Kobus Strik, jy kan al return on investment maal 400,000 kry. We printed money, boys. Yeah. Yeah, chat, just waiting here. We'll see what we get here. I don't wanna force anything here. That's my thing. I am super bullish. We held this number here. Let's see if we can get a hold here on 2400. Young little bullish engulfing candle here. Question is, how do we get involved into the action here? How do we get involved with being so extended? Are we gonna are we going to? Yeah, chat, I would love for it to trade here somewhere. 80 is still super bullish. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Oh. Yeah, chat, I also don't want to get you guys into cuck positions here. This is a bullish engulfing candle. However, it didn't take any previous lows. It is engulfing. We've got, yeah, it just becomes a lower probability trade. No top wick there. Yeah, look at that, just blast. Hey, look at US 30. Let's see if we can get something on US 30 or NASDAQ. Look at that 200, Chad. We said the 205-minute EMA. Don't throw that thing away. Don't throw the 200 on the 5-minute away. I told Stefan that last night, and believe it or not, Stefan said, hey guys, I'm going to trade Asia. And I told him about you can build a strategy around this 200. And Stefan said, alright, I like it. Stefan was in from here. But look at that 200. Go back on it. Go look at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute. And then you just ask yourself, how can I use this 200 to start taking trades? Alright. Start building out that strategy. Come back. You don't have to pay people for anything. You can join these streams live every day for free. If you want a little bit more, if you want to chat to us, you want to trade CPI with us, you want to do boot camps on the weekend, all of that stuff, then you can pay 750 Rand. But other than that, you don't have to. We're here every single day. Every single day. NASDAQ. Alright. Just check. I'm out, boys. Gym time. Wish me luck. Squatting 300 kgs for a double.
Oh, big man.
Ed, I'll be there. Keep that weight on for me to warm up. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. My back just hurts reading that. Ek gaan ook nie 'n call doen, maar ek kan jou beloof, gaan kyk net die vorige streams. NFP en CPI reg buite en al die ander trades vir die maand. Any thoughts on? Ek gaan nie oor sê, maar het gehoor wat ek wou ek register. Okay. For the past 2 months since being with the G's, I've never been this consistent ever. Thank you, Chris and Keeks. You guys are changing my life. Thanks, Lyndon. Awesome, my brother. Kevin Gibson, don't really trade pound CAD. Don't really trade it. I've honestly, as of late, I've basically reduced my my watch list to literally just the dollar, US30, NASDAQ, and gold. And this must probably been the best decision I've made. Chad, I didn't take this just purely due to the fact it is an engulfing candle. Go exclamation Discord if you guys are not yet a member. Exclamation Discord education section. You will actually see there. Jacobus, dalk moet jy eers even in die Discord gaan hier by die education section gaan kyk bietjie daar. Chad, yeah, so this is the market structure A, the bullish engulfing. The only reason I didn't like it is because we didn't have a big advantage point to target. Only like 15 pips. And yeah, it's such a, yeah, I don't know. Can USA guys sign up for Project G? Yes, Will to was. Can, definitely. exclamation Discord is the bootcamp Alkanavik. No, we do the bootcamp once a month. Because you guys also don't want to sit and listen to us every weekend for 4 hours. So we had a boot camp last weekend. I had a 3-hour slot. Keegan had an hour and a half, 2 hours. So I was just going through a lot of the frameworks, and it's one thing. I can show you a strategy. My strategy is for free. Yeah, you can literally go on the Discord. I've given you my trade plan, but that's not what it's about. The idea is for you to build a framework, and I basically chatted to the guys about how do you build a trading framework, something that you can follow, and you can build a strategy around that. You can add elements to it, you can remove elements. Once you've got the framework, the idea, then you can use anything. You can use teacups with water and jelly, and if it sets within an hour, you've seen that the market goes bullish, whatever. But there's a certain framework. That's just a very weird example, but
Yo, nah, bro. I don't even think I'm gonna take anything else. I just did my R&D trade. Yeah, went break even on it, so it didn't take the loss on it, and yeah, absolutely running. Gold, I don't think I'm gonna take anything. So chill day for me, bro. I'm not, as you said earlier when we were talking about the other guys, I'm not gonna go give profits back now.
yeah, the thing for me is, like I said on gold, before we started, I said I'm going to be very picky. I'm going to either wait for the key level or I'm not trading. Nasdaq stepping down. This doesn't make any sense to me. It held the daily pivot, coming back into Asia range. If you consider what it did yesterday, it did something similar, dipped into that 200, doing that again now, but actually dipping below the 200. So nothing there for me. US 30, news high, news low. What are we doing here? I don't know what we're doing here. I don't know if I want to do anything here. Gold is bullish. I was very bullish on it. I'm still bullish on it. So I'm expecting, depending on how we close today, technically we could be trading here at the end of the week, 24, 26. So yeah, Chad, I don't know. I don't know. We did say this morning Project G. So the guys ate US 30 to 40k. Yeah, I'm not bearish on it. Don't get me wrong, chat. US 30, I'm definitely not bearish on it. Daily time frame for me is a breakout. So unless today comes back into the range, definitely not bearish. Definitely not. Let's check the red list quickly. Let's check the portfolio. Alright, portfolio. GameStop up 4.2. Let me just bring it across. Red list. Red rockets. Home Depot. Some nice top tickers. SPYD running nicely. Wait, let me do this, Chad. Let me show you guys here. Again, even if you want to invest into stonks, 2 videos on YouTube as well. Go exclamation stock. Is it exclamation stocks? Let's just check here. I must still get used to that. Yeah, exclamation stock. Exclamation stock and exclamation stock 2. Go watch those 2 videos for how to get involved with the investing side of things. How do I choose my stocks? How do I shortlist it? Team, I didn't do the call for stocks yesterday. We were obviously prepping for CPI, but I will do it next week. All right. So just want to go through some of the stonks we took. This was all based on pivots. Let me just put the pivots back on here. All of these trades are based off what we do in our Discord. all of these positions based off that. Vanguard. That's Coke D. J&J fighting back. QQM. Look at this thing. Mother trucker. Apple coming back a little bit. All right, Chad. Keeks, you want to call it, brother?
Yeah, bro.
Hey,
I'm not,
call
I
it.
don't see a need in forcing something.
Call it. Very anticlimactic after that big build up for CPI. CPI takes it out of you, Keeks.
Yeah.
It's like a big rush of emotions. There's that previous daily high. Yeah, Chad, I'm very honest when I say that I'm not too locked in now. Like as wrong as it sounds, and I do apologize for that, but yeah, we clocked it for CPI. Thanks, boys. Chris, we'll chat to you later. Thanks, Fubs. Keeks, yeah, I think we're calling it, yeah, my brother. We're putting a fork in it. Chad, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So, Keeks, yeah, if you want to...
Yeah, guys, I think a big thing, yeah, we're not going to take away from anything. As I said, obviously, US study, we stuck out the testing strat. Yeah, it was a bit rough this other week. But I think now it technically is up 3% at a count or something. So still 3% up for the week. So it's actually looking good. Yeah, being an interesting one. But then CPI absolutely smashed the cherry on the cake. So literally nothing wrong with that. As I always say, I think that's the discipline part of being a trader is I think a lot of guys get the money and then they see, even though the wins like today, they go, but you know what, I can make an extra 10k, I can make an extra 5k, and that's where you start giving back. And that's where I think for myself as well, I'm just like, you know what, I did my R&D trade, I did CPI, call it. There's no need to winners know when to quit. So call it a day, and we come back tomorrow Friday. We've got a good direction the markets want to go, so I think tomorrow we can definitely make some more money. But again, to the Project G guys, always love the team out there. And to everyone that does still support us and yeah for us, much love to all of you guys. We're getting locked in. So again, just the start of 2Gs really.
Keeks, thank you so much, brother. Like I said, it's weird, like that build up. You almost feels like you played a rugby game where you had this massive build up and then you get the result and then you almost relieved. So yeah. Chad, gonna be a lot of volume for the rest of the week. FOMC in 3 weeks time, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, Chad, stay safe. If you traded CPI with us, now's not the time to get stuck in putting that withdrawal. Go and spoil yourself. Me and Keegan already put in the withdrawals. Will I be getting that bike? I don't know. Thing is, I don't know. If I held for a little bit longer, the bike, that's only the bike 70%. Maybe they send me the other 30% later. But Chad, yeah, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys tomorrow. As always, Friday. Let's end it off strong.
Awesome, guys. Peace and love, guys.
Thanks. Foot Candy back for a while. First time in a while. Foot Candy. Good to see you back, my brother. Peace and love, baby.
Cheers, guys.